day in India's freedom struggle. On this day, Mahatma Gandhi gave the powerful call of do or die and launched the Quit India movement, urging every Indian to unite and demand freedom from British rule. Through this short skit, we pay tribute to the courage, sacrifice, and determination of our freedom fighters.
My dear brothers and sisters, the time has come to free our motherland. We must stand with truth, courage, and non-violence. Our message to the British is clear. Quit India, remember our pledge, do or die. Quit India! Quit India! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Bharat Mata ki jai! Bharat Mata ki jai!
Stop this gathering at once. This protest is illegal. Anyone who joined this movement will be arrested.
We are not afraid of attacks. We only need freedom for our country. We believe in truth and non-violence. We will never give up.
If you refuse to obey me, you will be sent to prison.
You may increase our bodies, but you can never increase our spirit or our love for India. My child, go ahead with courage. The nation needs brave sons and daughters like you. Mother, I promise to serve my country with honesty and sacrifice. Inqilab Zindabad! Inqilab Zindabad! Quit India! Quit India! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Thank you.
On 15 August 1947, India finally became free. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.